Hey there, creatives. Are you ready to revolutionize the way your team collaborates? Well, hold on to your sketch pads because I've got something special for you today. Click the link in the description below to snag your lifetime deal on Boardmix. Now let's dive into what makes Boardmix so incredible. Boardmix is an AI-powered online collaborative whiteboard that's here to turbocharge your team's productivity and creativity. Imagine having the power of AI at your fingertips, helping your team brainstorm, plan, and manage projects like never before. With Boardmix, you can collaborate in real time with up to 500 users. Yes, you heard that right, 500. So whether you're in a small startup or a large corporation, Boardmix has got you covered. Plus, it comes packed with an extensive template library. Need a mind map? They've got it. Flowcharts? Done. Project timelines? Absolutely. And let's talk about those AI-powered features. From automated diagramming to content creation, Boardmix's AI tools help simplify those complex tasks and keep your team moving forward. It's like having an extra team member who never sleeps. Can't beat that, right? One of the coolest things about Boardmix is its seamless integration with tools you're already using, like Zoom and Microsoft Teams. No more switching between apps. Everything you need is right there on your Boardmix canvas. Efficiency at its finest. Now I know what you're thinking. What's the catch? Well, Boardmix does have a few quirks. Some users have mentioned a slightly tricky registration process and a lack of native mobile apps. But hey, with all these amazing features and a lifetime deal on offer, it's a no-brainer. So why wait? Click that link in the description below to grab your lifetime deal on Boardmix and start unleashing your team's potential today. Remember, this is a limited time offer, so don't miss out. All right, that's all from me. Stay creative, stay productive, and happy collaborating. See you next time.